of you are safe and having a good time. Children, myself Maria, your social studies teacher. Today we are going to learn Grade 4 Social Studies Chapter 1. I love my India. Do you all love your country? Yes, of course. We all love our country, right? Children, before learning our first chapter, you must understand the names of 7 continents in the world. There are 7 continents in the world. Which are they? The 7 continents in the world are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Which are the 7 continents in the world? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Children, see the map of 7 continents: North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia and Australia. Children, our country, India, is a part of Asian continent. We belong to the Asian continent. Our country, India, is a part of Asian continent. Okay? And children, one more thing. Asia is the largest continent in the world. So which is the largest continent in the world? Asia is the largest continent in the world. And our country, India, is a part of continent Asia. Now we can start our first chapter. I love my India. As I told you, India is in Asia. India is a part of Asian continent. Children, India is the 7th largest country in the world. Listen, there are around 195 countries in the world. Among them, our country, India, is the 7th largest country in the world. Okay, you got the point? Our country, India, is the 7th largest country in the world. And India is the 2nd largest populated country in the world. China is the most populated country in the world. And our country, India, is the 2nd largest populated country in the world. Okay? So, India is a part of continent Asia. India is the 7th largest country in the world and it is the 2nd most populated country in the world. So children, in this chapter, we are going to learn more about the features of our country. Okay. First feature is the northern boundary of India is protected by very high mountain ranges called Himalayas. Children, you know the 4 important directions, right? North, south, west and east. These are the 4 directions: north, south, west and east. Children, in the northern part of India, in the northernmost part of India, we have mountain ranges. What does it mean? Mountain ranges. Mountain ranges means group of mountains. Mountain range means group of mountains or collection of mountains. So in the northern part of India, we have mountain ranges called Himalayas. Okay. In the northern part of India, we have mountain ranges called Himalayas. Okay. Second is the southern part of India is a peninsula. What is a peninsula? A peninsula is an area surrounded by water on 3 sides. Okay? A peninsula is an area surrounded by water on 3 sides. So the southern part of India is a peninsula. Look at the map. We have Indian Ocean in the south, Arabian Sea in the west and Bay of Bengal in the east. Okay? I repeat, we have Indian Ocean in the south, Arabian Sea in the west and Bay of Bengal in the east. So the southern part of India is a peninsula. What does it mean? A peninsula is an area surrounded by water on 3 sides. Third point is Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of mainland of India. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of mainland of India. Mainland of India means major part of the country. This is the major part of the country that does not include islands. We have two islands, Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So mainland means major part of the country. So Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the mainland of India. Okay, you got it? Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the mainland of India. That means major part of the country. The southernmost tip of the country is Indira Point. The southernmost tip of our country is Indira Point. Look at the Indira Point. It's in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. I hope you understood the difference between southernmost tip of the mainland of India and southernmost tip of our country. The southernmost tip of the mainland of India is Kanyakumari and the southernmost tip of whole country is Indira Point, and Indira Point is in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay? Next is about our neighboring countries. What does it mean? Countries with which we share our borders. Okay. We have total 9 neighboring countries, and children, India share land boundaries with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. So our country India shares land boundaries with 7 countries. Which are they? Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Okay, we share land boundaries with, I repeat, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. And children, our neighbors across the sea are Sri Lanka and Maldives. Our neighbors across the sea are Sri Lanka and Maldives. So total we have 9 neighboring countries. We share land boundaries with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. And our neighbors across the sea are Maldives and Sri Lanka. Okay? Next is about our political division. Children, we got independence. Our country got independence on 15th August 1947. We got freedom from the British rulers on 15th August 1947. Now India is a union of 28 states and 8 union territories. Now in India we have 28 states and 8 union territories. We all are part of Kerala state, right? We all are part of Kerala state. In India we have total 28 states and 8 union territories. You know, Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Which is the largest state in India? Rajasthan is the largest state in India. And which is the smallest state in India? Goa is the smallest state in India. And we all are part of Kerala state. So India is a union of 28 states and 8 union territories. Next is about 7 sisters. Children, the 7 states in the northeastern India is called 7 sisters. The 7 states in the northeastern part of India are called the 7 sisters. Why they are called 7 sisters? Because they have some features in common. So the 7 sisters are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. So the 7 states in the northeastern India are called 7 sisters. The 7 states in the northeastern India are called 7 sisters. Why they are called 7 sisters? Because they have some features in common. Children, that's all for today. Let's have a quick recap of what we have studied today. Children, starting from the beginning, India is the 7th largest country in the world. It is the 7th, our country India is the 7th largest country in the world. India is a part of continent Asia. Okay. In the northern part of India, we have mountain ranges called Himalayas. Mountain ranges means group of mountains or collection of mountains. Okay, and the southern part of India is a peninsula. Peninsula is an area surrounded by water on three sides. Third point is the southernmost tip of mainland of India is Kanyakumari. Mainland of India means major part of the country, which does not include islands. The southernmost tip means the pointed edge. The southernmost tip of mainland of India is Kanyakumari. And the southernmost tip of our country is Indira Point, and that point is in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Fifth point is about our neighboring countries. We have total 9 countries as our neighbors. We share land boundary with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. And we share water boundaries with Sri Lanka and Maldives. So children, please learn all the points, and if you have any doubts, please note down. Children, you have to do few activities in your notebook. First write the chapter name, then you have to write these new words in your notebook. First word is population, second word is mountain range. Mountain range means group of mountains. Third word is peninsula. Peninsula is an area surrounded by water on three sides. Fourth word is mainland. Mainland means major part of a country. And also you have to write one question answer. Write the names of our neighboring countries in your notebook. Write the names of our neighboring countries. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day. God bless you. Bye.